10 common mistakes in spoken English. She do her homework every day. She does her homework every day. I didn't went to the market. I didn't go to the market. He is more taller than me. He is taller than me. I am having two brothers. I have two brothers. What means this word? What does this word mean? She can do dance very well. She can dance very well. I didn't knew about it. I didn't know about it. He said me the truth. He told me the truth. I am agree with you. I agree with you. Where I can find the books? Where can I find the books? Please like, share and subscribe our channel.